Hello everyone, welcome to part 82 of Laravel 11 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we are going to work on the Laravel mini card. In the header, we are going to integrate this mini card. This mini card is already integrated, but we are going to make it dynamic. Okay, so we are going to refresh it as well instantly via Ajax. Okay, so these two things we are going to do in this part. So let's follow the instructions on the video. You can see, and first thing is that we are going to move the get card items function from card model to helpers file, because then we are not required to reload it, or we are not required to add the card model in every controller. Okay, so it will really helpful so that we can call this function anywhere in complete Laravel website wherever we want. So this is the advantage of helper. So we are going to modify this one. I'm going to remove from card. We'll move it from card and see control X. I'm going command X in Mac. Okay, so I'm going to paste it in here in the helper, but here we are not required public static. Okay, so we are required to align it as well, and yeah, our function is now ready. But make sure that we are required to update everywhere wherever we are calling this function. See, we're going to search for this function, and we are required to now call from the directly from the helper. Okay, so here we are required to replace this thing. This is not required now. Okay, so in complete website we are going to replace it with the get card item like this. Okay, so it will now become this one will now become this one. Okay, I'm going to replace it in the complete website. I'm going to click on replace all, replace. Okay, I'm going to click replace, and then file save all, and it is going to call from this helper. Okay, so this is the first thing that we have done, and now we are going to call this get card items here. This see, okay, mini card. So one more thing we are required to do here. This we are required to create this mini card blade file, and that is for this this one, this mini card. Okay, so in here I'm going to close this file. So, okay, first of all I'm going to open there here the header blade file, and here in header blade file you can see the mini card here in header blade file. Here we can even search for this mini card. Here is the mini card. We can see search for this one. I think it must be somewhere mini card. Yeah, okay, so here we are going to create the separate file for this mini card. This one mini card container. So this one I'm going to first it save as and save this file, but we are going to save it not here. We are going to put it in products folder. Okay, so in products folder I'm going to close this one. This one is our folder where it is project 11. Here it is. Okay, so in here in our resources, views, front, products, inside products we are going to create new file. Okay, so here we are going to create the new file. So here we are going to create this mini card blade file. Okay, right now we can use txt, then we are going to rename it to blade.php, blade.php. Okay, fine. So mini card is now ready. Okay, so mini card is here, mini card blade file, and what we are going to do, we are going to pick this complete mini card, this mini card container, and this one. Okay, so this. Okay, so here we will check once. So this complete mini card I am going to pick it like this complete mini card we are going to copy and will paste here. So this is the same mini card that we can see here, mini card container. Here it is. So this one. Okay, this is the complete mini card here. Okay, so we can remove this one. This one we have already added this thing here, and so we can remove this one, and we can include inside this mini card we can include this mini card that we have just created like this. Okay, and also we are going to add the ID here that will help us to reload this mini card every time if something happen in card, like update of the card item or addition of the card item, or in case of delete of the card item. Okay, so we are going to reload in this mini card at that time. Okay, so after this we are going to update the quantity. See, we are going to update this function once again. So here you can see that we are required to add this mini card after view. Okay, so we are going to modify this one in product controller. In product controller at the front, update card item quantity. So here we are going to modify this one. You can see after view we are going to modify here mini card view as well. Okay, and the same thing we are going to do with the delete card item as well. Here also we are going to send the view mini card view, we are going to refresh. Okay, so we are going to update the custom.js file once again, and here we are going to reload after append card items. We are going to reload this mini card item as well. Okay, append mini card, we have already given this append mini card here, that will reload this mini card. Here you can see the append mini card, so we are going to reload this mini card in every success function, in delete card item, in update item. Okay, and also we are required to do it in add to cart as well. Okay, so here also we will do append mini cart, but we need to do this one in the add to cart function as well. The same thing, mini card view we are going to load in the add to cart as well. I'm going to open the add to cart, and here also we are going to load this mini card. Okay, so let's see it is required here or not. We are going to check first of all. Okay, so here first of all I'm going to see the mini card is loading or not, and here is some issue, front products mini card not found. Here we are required to see that we have added the mini card at the correct location or not. We have added in front products mini underscore card dot blade. See spelling that is the issue. We have added blade twice by mistake, so we are going to do it like this. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it once again, and now it is fine. So now I'm going to see here you can see the two products it is showing. So I will modify it to 3. One of the product is updated to 3. Here you can see the 5 has come up here as well, and the mini card must be updated with the 3 items. It's working fine. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this one. Okay, completely remove this one, click on OK. So we are left with the 2 items, and here the mini card also updated with the 2 items. So mini card is updating. Okay, and the total is also updating in mini card, so it's working fine. Mini card is working fine. Okay, one small thing we are required to do in mini card. Here see, it is showing twice rupees as well, rupees symbol as well. So here we can remove this one of the rupees, we can remove. Okay, so it will work fine. Now I'm going to add the another part. Let's see the mini card will update or not. I'm going to update with the red t-shirt now. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to choose this red t-shirt, and let's see if we can able to update or not. Okay, so I'm going to select this small, and we click on add to cart, and see the product has been added, and I'm going to the card now and going to see whether the mini card updates or not. Okay, so here the mini card is updated with the red t-shirt as well, but I'm going to check one more thing, that the mini card updates when from the detail page. Okay, so let's select the side medium and add to cart, and here it has been updated to the 4 items, and I'm going to check whether this one, so see, this one is not updating here, so we are required to update the mini card here as well. So for updating it, we are required to update this add to card function as well, like I am saying earlier, that we are required to reload here in the add card items as well. Okay, add to card as well. Okay, so see, we are loading this one mini card, and the same thing we are going to do in add to card as well. Oh, okay, so we are going to add the comma here. After adding the comma, we are required to add this mini card here as well, like this. Okay, so we are going to check whether it will update this one or not. Okay, so let's see. Let's refresh, and then we are going to check. I'm going to modify from here, like small. See, we are already having. I'm going to the card and will remove, and then we'll add once again. So I'm going to remove a few of the card items. Okay, and so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to the t-shirts once again. Now see, mini card does not have the red t-shirt. Here you can see only blue t-shirt is there, so I'm going to select the red, and we'll try to add one of the product to the cart. And now I'm going to do, let's see, let's click on add to cart. And okay, see, it shows some error, so it means that there is some error, that we are trying to do something, but some error has come. Let's see, let's click on once again add to cart, and it will show. I'm going to click on medium, click on add to cart, so that the error will come. Yes, the error comes this time. I'm going to see what error. Add to cart, and I'm going to check this one. Undefined variable get card items incoming in line 222. Get card items. Okay, so we need to call this get card items. Get card items is not called here, so we need to call this get card items, like we are calling here. Okay, so we are going to call it in the same way like we are calling the total card items. Okay, so that's why this issue is coming. So I'm going to refresh it once again. Okay, we'll go to the uh, here mini card, and we'll remove the item from here. We can also remove the items from here. Okay, you can see we have deleted the item from here, and but it is not refreshing. We are going to see, we will refresh it as well. Okay, but first we are going to add it, and we'll see. And this one also. Okay, so it is refreshing because there is no scroll, so that's why it is showing issue. Otherwise it's going to refresh, you can see. Okay, so now I'm going to add here the item here. Here you can see the just two items of blue t-shirt. Now I'm going to add the red t-shirt here. Let's see, add to, click on add to cart this time. Yes, this has been added from the add to cart as well. The mini card has been updated from here as well, so it's working fine now. And now we can go to the view card, and we can see two of the products. One is the blue t-shirt with two items, two quantity, and red t-shirt with one quantity. So our mini card has been updated as well. Okay, so you can try this one at your end, and if you will face an issue, you can surely contact me. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.